we're gonna video with my brother. Hi guys, this is my brother. We're gonna cook a flam fries recipe with my brother. He's gonna turn grade 3 and I'm gonna turn grade 6. So he's gonna help me with the dish that I'm gonna cook. We have ingredients. What is this called again, brother? I forgot. It's mantika. It's oil pala. It's oil. It is a oil, and we got salt, and we have potatoes that I cut. So we're gonna cook with my brother, guys. Hintayin nyo. I-move ko lang dito, guys. Ganyan, guys. Some oil. We're gonna pull some oil. Smells bad. So, guys, magpupur tayo ng oil. Ito po yung oil pala. Ganyan, brother. There's some oil. No. Meron na pala, guys. We have oil now, guys. So, hintayin nyo kasi nakaharang itong salt. So, we have salt. Ilalagay natin yung salt dito. Tutulungan ako ng adding ko. Okay. Tama yan. Tapos, i-shake. Ay, i-mix pala, guys. I-mix ng adding ko. Ito yung mimix niya. It will pour down. Okay lang. Mimix natin. So, we're gonna cook now, guys, with my brother. He's outside, guys. Yan. I-ano mo muna natin yung hinaan natin. Oh no, nagpo-fall, guys, kasi sige. Yun, yung pang-cook. Itra-try niya, guys. Hintayin nyo, guys, kasi palang medyo marami yung nilagay kong oil. Not too much. It's too much yung pinot ko, guys. So, alam ng adding ko yung too much. Kasi, he learn English. So, sige, ipuput natin ito. Told you how cool something. Guys, tutulungan ako ng brother ko because marunong siya. He's gonna wipe all of the salt here. We're gonna wipe all the waters. We're gonna cook potatoes. Just wait for it. We're gonna wait for it, guys, to cook. So, bye-bye, guys. This is for today lang. Bye. For part 2. Bye, guys.